Welcome back to the channel. Our today's topic of discussion is going to be about the top colleges in India which you can get in JEE Main with low percentile. Okay, because many of you are having low percentile, like if some of you are general candidate and not having 98 to 99 percentile but less than that, then also you can get many colleges, but you have no idea of that. Okay, so we'll be talking about each of the categories here. Okay, so first of all I will tell you that if you have a low percentile in JEE Main, you have three options. So the first option is you can go for some private colleges. Okay, because many private colleges are there who are not accepting JEE Main score, they are directly giving admission. This is the first option. The second option is that you can go for the GFTIs or CFTIs, centrally funded technical institutes. And the third one is you can go for the NIT or IIIT colleges which you get with low percentile. So in this video we'll be particularly discussing about the third one option, which is the best option right here. Okay, the NIT or IIIT colleges which you can get with low percentile in JEE Main. So with this, welcome back to the Test Prep Card channel. Hope all of you are doing great in your life. So we are once again back with this very important topic. So let us start. So first of all, I will tell you about the name of the colleges which you can get, and after that I will be telling you the previous year cutoff of 2 to 3 of them, so that you can get an idea that how much percentile is required. So the first one is NIT Srinagar, NIT Manipur, NIT Mizoram, NIT Agartala. Okay, so these are the NITs which you can get with low percentile. I will be particularly talking about other state quota here. Okay, I will be not considering home state quota. Now talking about the IIIT colleges, then IIIT Kalyani and IIIT Bhagalpur. These two colleges you can get with low percentile in JEE Main. Okay, so let us start with the cutoff of some of these. So first of all, I will tell you about NIT Srinagar. So NIT Srinagar, if you are a general category candidate, these are purely based on previous year data. So these can vary for this year, but this is just to give you an idea. Okay. So for computer science engineering for general category, you should have a rank under 23,500, and previous year percentile for this was 97.85. For electrical, it was 41,300 and the percentile was 96.2. For civil, it was 49,700, percentile was 95.4. And for metallurgical engineering, the rank was 50,800 and the percentile was 95.25. So this is for the general candidate. Now for EWS candidate and other categories, I will be telling you the category rank. Okay, so for EWS, it was for computer science 3,850 and the corresponding percentile was 97.75. The EWS rank for electrical was 7,200. The percentile was 95.9. For civil, it was 8,600, 95.2. And for metallurgical, it was 8,800, 95.1 percentile. Okay, now if some of you are OBC candidate, then for computer science engineering, your OBC category rank, closing rank was 7,600 or 97.1 percentile. For electrical, it was 12,600 or 95.55. For civil, it was 15,200 or 94.6. And for metallurgical, it was 16,000 OBC rank or 94.2 percentile. Okay, talking about the SC candidates, for computer science, the closing rank was 4,200 or 89.8 percentile. For electrical, it was 7,300, 85.4 percentile. For civil, it was 8,390 or 83.7 percentile. And for metallurgical, it was 9,500 SC rank or 82.5 percentile. Means this much low rank you require if you are SC candidate. Talking about ST candidate, if you want computer science engineering, then 2000 was your closing rank, category rank, and it is 85.5 percentile. For electrical, it was 2200 or 84.5 percentile. For civil, it was 2800 or 82 percentile. And for metallurgical and material science, it was 3600, which was 79.5 percentile. Okay, so this is all for NIT Srinagar. I have covered all the categories here. Okay, now before moving ahead in the video, let me tell you about NRI ebook prepared by Test Prep Card, especially for NRI candidates. Okay, so it is very helpful for you. If you are watching this video, then you can surely download it from the link given in the description section. Okay, let us move to one IIIT college now. I have given you an idea of one NIT college. Hope you have got a clear idea. Now let me tell you about one IIIT college so that you can get an idea of how much percentile you require. Now generally, as you all know, that IIITs are Indian Institute of Information Technology, means these are the colleges which are generally focused on information technology courses like computer science, engineering. So I have taken one IIIT, which is IIIT Kalyani. Generally, it is a myth that for computer science engineering you require 99 plus percentile for any of the government college. If you are general or other categories also require a good percentile, but IIIT Kalyani, for IIIT Kalyani, if you are a general candidate, it has only one branch, which is computer science. You require a rank under 36,300 in 2020, which was 96.7 percentile. If you are EWS, then category rank have gone 6,400, which is 96.4 percentile. And for OBC, it was 14,000 category rank, which was 95.2 percentile. For SC, it was 9,000 category rank, closing rank, which is 83 percentile. And for ST, it was 4,400 category rank, which was 77 percentile. So at this percentile also you can get computer science engineering in one of the good IIITs in India. Okay, and talking about its average package, placement package, it is not very low. It is around 7 lakh per annum, which is a decent, we can say. Okay, so this is all for the video. I have taken one NIT and one IIIT. I have not tried to extend the video very long because it will be boring if I extend it. I have just tried to give you a clear idea about the colleges which you can get at low percentile. I have named them earlier. Okay, you can search for them, but I have also given a clear idea by giving two examples, one of NIT and one of IIIT. Okay, so hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then consider subscribing the channel for more such content from Test Prep Card. Okay, thanks a lot.